Hi everyone, welcome once again to Sabi Book. I am Michael. This lesson is for week 2 of Introduction to Music Production on Coursera.org. And today I will be teaching you how to prepare a project in your DAW, that is Digital Audio Workstation. There are certain technical parameters that needs to be configured before proceeding with your recordings. Here is a checklist that will serve as a guide as we go along. Let's have a quick run through of this list. The first thing you want to do is to properly name your project and pick a location for it. And then set your digital audio preferences. Set the recording file types. Set the hardware settings. And lastly, set the buffer size. The DAW I will be using is Audacity, although it's not a full-featured DAW. However, it serves the purpose of this lesson. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. Project name and location. Create a folder for your project and give it a distinct name for easy identification without any confusion. You should pick a proper location for all your project files so that you will not have any trouble finding them in the future. This will help you to back up your project easily. Digital audio preferences. There are different standards for setting up your digital audio preferences, but for maximum quality and optimal utilization, set your sample rate to 4800 kHz with a bit depth or sample format of 24-bit recording. Recording file type. Be sure to set your recording file to broadcast wave format if you have the option in your DAW. If not, choose WAV format or AIFF format. These are lossless, uncompressed file types that helps you to retain the highest quality of your audio recordings. In Audacity, you can find these settings when you want to export your audio recording. Also select the interleaved option if available. This will put both right and left channel on the same track. Hardware settings. Ensure that your DAW is configured to work with your audio interface, inputs and outputs. Your DAW will not know how to work with your hardwares if this is not properly set. Buffer size. For a start, set your buffer size to 128 samples per buffer for recording, and then you can raise it to 1024 samples per buffer for post-production work such as editing and mixing. Always remember that the lower the buffer size, the lesser the computer latency or delay. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and I hope you have learned something. Until next time, enjoy.